Welcome. Have you ever wondered how blockchain smart contracts work? They're revolutionizing how agreements are made. Let's start with a quick introduction to what smart contracts are and why they are so important in the digital age. Simply put, a smart contract is a self-executing agreement with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. The key benefit is automation and trustlessness. These contracts execute automatically when conditions are met, without needing intermediaries. To understand smart contracts, we need to quickly revisit the foundation, the blockchain itself. Smart contract code and data are stored transparently and securely on the blockchain, just like any other transaction. This relies on decentralization, meaning no single entity controls it, and immutability, ensuring the code cannot be altered once deployed. Now, let's look at the mechanics, how a smart contract is actually structured and activated. A smart contract is essentially a piece of code containing the terms of the agreement, written in a programming language like Solidity. The core logic is, if X happens, then Y is executed. For example, if a payment is received, then ownership is transferred. How does the contract actually spring into action? Let's trace the execution process step by step. Execution is typically triggered by a transaction sent to the contract's address on the blockchain, along with any necessary data or funds. Network nodes verify the transaction and then execute the code. If the predefined conditions are met, the stipulated action, or Y, takes place. The final result of the execution, whether it was a transfer of value or a change in state, is then recorded permanently on the blockchain. Smart contracts are more than just theory. They are being applied across many industries today. Examples include decentralized finance, automating insurance claims, tracking goods in a supply chain, and even creating transparent voting systems. To wrap up, let's summarize the powerful advantages of embracing smart contract technology. Smart contracts offer enhanced security, transparency, reduced costs, and increased efficiency by eliminating the need for manual processes. The future is automating agreements, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Smart contracts are clearly leading the way.